Have you ever shared a meal with a millionaire? I recently emphasized how essential it is to have not just effective marketing, but also strong advertising and promotion strategies in place. Without them, building residual income becomes nearly impossible. Today, I want to tell you a quick story about a lunch with a millionaire. The creator of my $30 business opportunity once sat down to lunch with a millionaire. Let's call him Greg for privacy's sake. During their meal, Greg leaned in and said, "You know, Joshua, it only takes 5 things to significantly boost your sales." Naturally, Joshua immediately put down his fork, swallowed his food, and eagerly asked, "What are those 5 things?" After all, learning just 5 things seemed manageable and simple. Greg explained, "First, you need a lot more exposure. When everything else is equal, the more people who see your product, the more sales you'll generate. The more people who see your ads and your sales message, the more leads and sales you will generate." He went on to explain how crucial good website traffic is for any home business. The more traffic you drive to your site, the more chances you have to convert those visitors into customers. The more eyeballs and ears means more income and growth. It's all about getting attention and building an audience. Second, Greg continued, you need to be effective with that exposure. It's not just about getting eyes on your product, but making sure your message resonates and converts to cash flow. Greg then mentioned the third key. It's incredibly simple to increase exposure by using a QR code on a flyer or postcard. Utilizing direct mail strategies can simplify everything for the entrepreneur. The people receiving your postcards or flyers can take their phone out of their pocket and scan the QR code. It's so simple to get them to your website without having to type in a big, long affiliate link. You don't want them to have to type in the link themselves because chances are they'll type in a wrong character and never even get to your website or video. The fourth thing, Greg added, is consistency. Regularly putting your message out there in front of the right audience will build momentum and lead to sustained growth. Finally, Greg leaned in and said, and you need to know how to generate your own leads by using what is called a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something valuable that you offer in exchange for a potential customer's contact information, which is crucial for building your list and converting leads into sales. This isn't rocket science, but it's straightforward and powerful. More exposure plus effective messaging, simple tools, consistency, generating your own leads, more sales, all things being equal. It makes perfect sense, Joshua said, nodding. The bottom line is that to make a lot more sales, you must have more exposure, be effective with your messaging, use simple tools like QR codes, maintain consistency in your marketing, advertising, and promotion, and generate your own leads using lead magnets. As a special offer, if you take action right now, today, I will give you 10 free cups of my other delicious product, my Ganoderma Healthy Coffee. Just text or call me with your full name and postal address, and I'll mail 10 sachets straight to your mailbox, absolutely free. This is my gift to you. I've added much more value. Thank you and God bless you. By the way, my regular price for selling these 10 servings of this herbal mushroom coffee is $25. Best regards, your name here. P.S. You'll need a reliable vehicle to achieve this. Here's my top recommendation. Join me. Link goes here. Register for free. This website, video, and email swipe letter were created and written by Michael Jensen, who oversees and manages the Daily Cash Team community. All ad copy here was written by Michael Jensen. By partnering with Michael or any member of his downline, you'll benefit from one-on-one coaching, support, and marketing tools provided by Michael. This is important. Please get back to the person who showed you this video and told you about this incredible home business opportunity. Ask them for their referral link and provide them with your contact information. Thank you so much. Don't forget, this simple $30 opportunity can very realistically turn into over $9,000 per month in residual income.